Arby's online got the 5 for $5. What'd you get, babe? Oh, he got the chicken tenders and the curly fries and a drink for $27. I got the deal, y'all. I'm gonna put the horseradish sauce on it. And I'm gonna put some of the Arby sauce on it right here. But what I do is I take 2 of them right here. And I take a little bit of the horse sauce on there. Yeah, like that. And I take some of that Arby sauce on there and get it spread around there like that. And then I take the meat off for a second. I do it all again, y'all. I put the Arby sauce all over there, nice and drippy. And I put the horse sauce on there. And if there's anything left over, I'm going to put that on top, y'all. Ooh, that's going to be delicious. And then I take this bun and throw that shit away, because if it ain't got meat on it, baby, I don't want it. And then I take a little bit of extra of that sauce of that Arby sauce. Put it on there like that. And now I got me a half pounder, y'all. Ooh, look at that deliciousness. That's delicious, y'all. You're gonna like that. And don't forget the ashes. The extra. Because I like to smoke as I like to eat my calories too then. That's delicious, y'all. Look at that. Daddy, do you like your chicken? You ain't getting none of this fat cat tonight. Because this shit right here is delicious. I'm supposed to get some of this and I'm supposed to take me a day. You know I've been working hard all week, y'all. Go get you the 5 for $5 over there at Arby. Because you know they don't have that much. I done saved me a bunch of money. He done paid them $27 for some chicken nuggets and fries, y'all. Come on back and see me now. You know how I get down, y'all. Yeah.